He's amazing. It's really robot can transform.
No way, it can transform.
Mom, it's a robot.
Curious about what it is? Let's find out. This is Xleene, the world's first dual-form transformable floor washing robot. All right, let's roll.
Whoa, it's so smart.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can I try?
Try it.
Wow! It's so light!
This is wild.
Go, robot! Tell me why it's so...
It's my time to shine. 'Cause I'm one of a kind. Keep the 100%. Got all good days ahead. Keep the 100%.
It learns your habits. It just keeps getting better.
Days ahead.
In handheld mode, Xleene learns active. In robot mode, it cleans based on what it learns. Adaptive clean intensity. Quick for light stains, deep clean for heavy stains. It learns your routines, and it grows smarter over time. It does almost all the work. This is the only step you need to do. As for what other robot cleaners can do, Xleane's got them all.